Running wild, we spend the day. In your eyes, I find my way.
In today's video, I'm going to try to use Suno and AI to create a music video. First, we're going to use Suno's music generation tool in order to create a full-fledged song, complete with instrumentals and lyrics. And then we're going to take each line in those lyrics, plug them into Runway's Gen 3 model in order to turn the text into separate videos. Lastly, we're going to take those videos and put them into DaVinci Resolve and edit them into one cohesive music video. Without further ado, let's dive in. So this is Suno's new user interface, and I say new because this is at least the third iteration that Suno has gone through since I've used it. This is the home page that you'll get to when you get to Suno, so that you can look at some inspirations for what other people have created. Okay, all you got to do, you click on it. And it'll pop up instantly. Suno works very, very quickly with everything that you give it. Everything works as it should, which is kind of cool. You'll come into the Create tab, you'll see all the things that you've worked on before. You can upload your audio, so if you want your song to sound like a Blink-182 song, or Leonard Skinner song, or a Slipknot song, you can come over here, upload it, and that'll give Suno's AI a reference point. So if you're using Dolly or Midjourney or something like that, you'd have reference pictures, sometimes even reference video. Suno has reference audio. You can also do custom, so if you wanted to make your own lyrics and wanted Suno to generate the voice and the instrumental, you could do it that way. And then you'd have the style of music. For right now, I am just going to enter a basic song description, and I'm going to have Suno do everything else. I do want it to be in a Blink-182 style, 90s, 2000s rock band kind of vibe. We are in version 3.5, so all I'm going to do is click create. It almost immediately starts generating it. What's going to happen is it will start to generate it so that you can get the lyrics and that you can get a preview, and then it'll finish out the song in about 2 to 3 minutes. And just like that, within 8 seconds, it's already created the cover page, and if you click on it, all the lyrics are right there. It has created 2 versions of the song. It is different instrumentals, but what Suno does is keep the same lyrics. So if I didn't like these lyrics, I could come over here and just recreate the prompt. I wouldn't have to change anything, but it would regenerate the lyrics. Once it's done loading, it'll tell me how long the song actually is, like over here. And then I can actually extend it if I really like the song, if I wanted to keep it going past the 4 minutes. So it does do a max of 4 minutes. It usually keeps it around 3 to 4 though. All of this is free. As you can see, I have credits over here. I've done 4 generations so far, and I've used about 30 credits, so it's about 7.5 credits for each song generation, so not too bad. But let's take a look at the first version that Suno came up with.
Man and his dog running free, chasing dreams, just you and me. Barking laughter, sun in sight, friends forever through the night. Leashless wonder, no cage can hold, bound by love, hearts made of gold. Side by side, this world will own.
So I do kind of like the lyrics. The instrumental itself isn't quite what I was envisioning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to listen to the second one that it created, and then I'll be back with a song that I've chosen to run. Except for the first 2 ones that I created, the rest of these male rock voices have that AI feeling to them. And if you've heard an AI song voice, especially from Suno, you kind of know what I mean. But I'll play it for you now and show you exactly what I'm talking about.
These long nights cool.
I changed the prompt a bit because I wanted to get it away from that AI voice kind of sound. Also, this picture I just noticed might be a little bit off. But anyway, I changed it to pop. I did do male and female vocals, although on all these songs it chose one or the other. But I think I've chosen this one, and we're gonna pop these lyrics into Runway, but this song is about 2.5 minutes, so I'm gonna play you a snippet of this song now, just so that you can hear what it sounds like.
Sun is shining down on me, dark beside me, feeling free, laughing as we chase the breeze. Best day with you, it's all we need.
So I'm gonna take this song and the rest of this song, and I'm gonna pop each line. So all I'm gonna do is literally go copy and paste, and I'm gonna get a couple of these, and I'm gonna choose the best ones, and I'm gonna do this for each line. Now, Runway doesn't allow you to give them a reference image or a reference video, so each of these are separate prompts, and unfortunately what that means is that a lot of them are disconnected. Some of them don't even have a woman and a dog in them. So what I did after a couple tries is actually put in the prompt a woman and a German Shepherd. That way it'll get a little bit more accurate, which is why down here you can see that they're German Shepherds over here. So a couple of them came out pretty nice, like this one came out genuinely pretty nice. This one started out pretty nice and then devolved. This one isn't too bad, but has no dog in it. This one is pretty good, but the dog is the size of a horse. And then these ended up pretty nicely done for the most part, but it's of a little girl. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all of these and put them into DaVinci Resolve and see what I can come up with. If I did have to do this again, what I would do is I would create an image for each of these lines in Suno and then go into Runway with that image, because Runway does well with describing the image, and these lines are very abstract even when giving them the prompt of that it's a woman and a dog. These lines are still too abstract for Runway to run with. So if I had to do this again, that's what I would do. I would create an image first and then upload the image and run it as a video. But that wasn't part of the challenge. I wanted to see what Runway would do with what I gave it. And so we're gonna go with that. I would show you how I'm making my videos in DaVinci. If I tried to record DaVinci right now, it would be about 3.5 frames per second. And just like that, we are back. So I did spend about an hour and a half creating this music video. I will leave the link to the Suno song in the description below. The editing was not done with AI. That was completely on me. So I tried to match the videos and the changing of the videos with the beats of the song. I hope this was informational and that you learned something from this. And if you did like it, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, this is my music video, Nonstop.
Sun is shining down on me, dark beside me, feeling free, laughing as we chase the breeze. Best day with you, it's all we need. Morning walks and evening play, running wild we spend the day. In your eyes I find my way. Best friend, forever come what may. Hey, hey, look at us now, living life without a doubt. Hey, hey, we're on the go, you and me in the open road. Night falls, we still don't stop, stars above, an endless hop. Every moment feel on top. Best day with you, it's nonstop.